Okay, me, I'm gonna take this heart ornament that I presently already own, and I'm gonna make a beautiful half heart succulent wreath ornament fabulousness. And I'm going to use all, well, probably not all, but some of these succulents. Because I figured for Valentine's Day, perfect, and everybody needs a little green in their life. But first, I'm gonna take apart, because see the succulent, this has 3. I want some of the pieces to be big, but I want some of the little parts to be little. Does that make sense? Stand by, I'll show you. Okay, what I did was I started with one of these bigger that has 3 little plants, and I broke it into 1, 2, 3 little pieces. And I'm gonna take away most of the soil and just leave this little, work with the little root part. Some I'm gonna leave whole, some I'm gonna break into little pieces and style it on half of the succulent wreath. I've never made one of these before. This could be a total bomb, but let's do this. Okay, I have a bunch of little cutlings from the sedum in this bowl. I'm gonna put it aside, and I'm gonna start by, I think I'm gonna glue some plastic down. This is just a gift bag that I cut in half. I'm gonna glue that, but I have to wet, what I'm gonna adhere the succulents to is this Sphagnum Moss, and I have to get this wet. Let's do this. I'm gonna take my plastic bag, I'm kind of measuring it. And I cut it earlier, but now I'm gonna trim it up even more, because I don't want the plastic to be showing. Though I could probably just, yeah, you know what? I can just put Sphagnum Moss on it and not even have to worry. Then I'm gonna put the moss that I wet in the sink. I'm gonna glue it on the plastic. It smells like plants. It's nice. I haven't had that dirt smell in months. All right, let me get my glue gun and glue this baby up. Hot glued. Now I'm gonna take my plastic, and you don't have to do the plastic part. You could put it right on the heart if you wanted to, but I feel like I want to protect the wood of the heart a little bit. So I have that on there. And I can cut off the extra when I'm done. Now I'm gonna glue my moss, because this is what the plants will live in, right to the heart. Okay, Sphagnum Moss is glued. Here's the test now to see if it stays. Yay! Now I'm gonna start placing, I'm gonna get rid of this plastic that is still showing, don't worry. But I'm gonna start placing all my succulents, and the hot glue won't hurt them. Don't worry. I know it seems like it would, but it won't hurt them. Look at this little guy. It's like a freebie, 2-in-1. I'm gonna start with the big ones first. Okay, here it is, my wreath, my Valentine succulent wreath. And I have a few spots like here, here, and I might add some green moss along here also. But I have to add, this is a new glue stick, so just a little bit of glue right on the end, and see if you can see this. Can you see this? Yep. Pop that right in there and hold it. Just hold it free. Well, it's done. And here's the true test. I'm gonna stand it up, make sure everything stays glued on. But look at my drink. It's rosemary frozen in a glass with some cranberries. How fabulous. It's soda water, but you could put champagne and it takes the drink to the next level. Anyway, that's not why we're here. We're here to see. Let's hope it all stays on. Ta-da! It stayed, look at her. So everything I used to make this is linked in the description below. And I love it. I've never made anything like this before. Took me a little while, I ran out of glue sticks. And then we got a snowstorm and then I didn't have glue sticks. So, but anyway, if you try to make this, tag me on Instagram. I'll have my handle down below and I'll just leave a comment. But I love her. She's perfect for Valentine's Day. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you subscribe and stay tuned for the next one.